Before watching this video, please click on the subscribe button and also click on the bell icon to receive more notifications further.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel once again, and today's video is going to be a skincare DIY video. So a few minutes back I have posted a poll on my Instagram about what videos you would like to see on my channel. Most of you voted for DIY skincare, so here I am bringing you a DIY skincare recipe. Before we get into the recipe of the face pack, it is important for you to understand for what this face pack is for. This face pack helps you in lightening your dark spots, age spots, acne marks, the after acne marks you get, and hyperpigmentation. These four are the most common problems we have. So if you have seen my Instagram video a few days back, maybe a month back, I was trying out a DIY face pack for a week, and that face pack is to lighten my acne marks. And let me bring you closer, guys, to show you how much it has reduced my acne marks. My skin right now, guys, and so if you have been watching my videos maybe 2 to 3 months back, you know that I had massive breakouts, and I also had a lot of acne spots which was very much dark, and this is how it looks right now. Most of the spots have been faded, and that's because of this DIY face pack. And also, if it's about the acne or something, it's related to your gut area, so it's very much important for you to understand the food you eat also affects your skin. And if you ask me about my hyperpigmentation, I had a little bit pigmentation on my upper lip, and even that has been faded a lot. And also this can help you fade your dark circles, also your under eye circles. So this has multiple benefits, and if you like to watch this video, please keep on watching. Before that, if you are new to my channel, hi, this is Ramya, and I make videos related to makeup, skincare, and anything beauty related. If you want to see more of me, do subscribe to my channel. Without any further ado, let's get into the video. If you look at my face, I don't have any makeup. I've just cleansed my face. I just have a bit of lipstick on my lips just to look presentable. The ingredients I'm using in this face pack is readily available in your kitchen. It's nothing fancy. The first and the most important ingredient for this face pack is licorice. So I have the Khadi organic licorice powder. This is 100% natural. I purchased this from Amazon. I will link the product down below in the description box. I don't want to make this video very much boring, so I'll be listing down the benefits of each and every ingredient I'm using in this pack down below in the description box. So the licorice powder can be taken orally for different health benefits. Since we are talking about the skincare properties of this licorice root has tendency to lighten any problematic parts of your skin. So that is a simple description of licorice. So this is the main ingredient. You can't replace it with anything else. If you want to know more about licorice, you can open the description box and look at it. The second ingredient is rice powder. This is homemade rice powder. The third ingredient is a bit of yogurt, and the fourth ingredient is half a lemon. The final and the fifth ingredient is honey. I'm using Dabur honey, which is readily available in India. So let's get into the process right now. I've already mixed the ingredient here. So what I have mixed here is 2 small teaspoons of licorice powder, 1 small teaspoon of rice powder, and on top of that half a teaspoon of honey, and then 2 big teaspoons of yogurt. On top of that I have squeezed half a lemon. So this is how the pack looks like. Coming to the application, it's very much important for you tie your hair away from your face. So now that we have tied our hair, the way we are going to apply this face pack is with our fingers and not with any kind of brush. The reason why I'm not applying this with a brush is we have added rice powder. This will help you to scrub away all the dead skin cells and also make the skin texture even. A thick layer of it and wait until this dries completely. It's 3:21 right now. We'll see you after 20 minutes after this pack is dry. So the time is almost 3:50 and the face pack is completely dry, as you can see here. So before washing your face, it's important to know how to take this face pack off from your face. So the first step is to wet your face pack and then massage it in circular motions, which will help further to take away all the dead skins off your skin because of the rice flour in it, and then you wash your face completely. So this is how I'm going to wash my face. I'll be right back for the outro after washing my face. So this is how my face looks after washing it off. This is how much glow it will give you in one use. So guys, make sure that you do a patch test before you apply this face pack to know whether you have any allergic reactions to the ingredients I've used here. And also please be consistent with this face pack, guys. Use it daily before you go to bed. Don't use a face pack in daytime and be out in the sun, guys. It's very much harmful for your skin. It damages your skin to the maximum because you're pampering your skin and you're going and ruining it. Also do use this face pack consistently for a week, that is 7 days, as I have done. After 7 days, please come back to this video and comment down the difference you felt in your skin. Did it do anything for you or not? Because I have done it for a week consistently. As you can see in my Instagram stories, I still have that in the highlights part of skincare on my Instagram. I have consistently done it for 7 days before I go for my vacation. So make sure that you are consistent, very much consistent with any kind of DIY natural face pack, because you can't see a drastic change in just one use, because these are natural ingredients and it works with your skin very slowly. The results you get is really great, guys. I hope you have liked this video. If you have liked this video, give it a thumbs up, guys, and also please come back to this video and let me know how this has worked for you. Use this face pack for a week continuously to see the difference. I bet you will see the difference. You can see a massive change in your skin and your skin texture. See you on my next video, guys. Until then, please take care. Bye.